Hi, this is an astrological transit update. Mercury retrograde from Sagittarius will now enter to Scorpio. Mabilis ang interpretation, so Mercury retrograde is all about re-evaluation, reflection, time to slow down in the themes of mind and communication, travel, and technology. This energy shift, the Mercury retrograde, will cause misunderstanding, travel delays, and technical glitches, including yung mga pagbabalik ng mga tao from your past, like your ex, or yung mga taong meron kang misunderstanding. Ngayon, that Mercury retrograde is in Scorpio. Scorpio is the energy of determination and focus. Deep din siya and very mysterious. Yung Mercury retrograde will cause delays or make changes on your plans or on your strategies because it's in Scorpio. Your determination to complete what you have started will eventually be completed. Yung downside lang ng Mercury retrograde in Scorpio is yung pagiging very emotional at very deep ng Scorpio. So kapag nako-confront tayo ng mga taong may issues tayo, like yung ex natin or yung mga kaibigan natin nakagalit natin, so kapag kino-confront nila tayo sa past issues, medyo magiging emotional tayo at medyo digging up of that past issue. So imbes na tapusin nyo yung issue, pag-usapan nyo yung issue, may na-brought up pa talagang much deeper pain or much deeper traumas doon sa past issue nyo. At baka hindi pa ma-resolve kung ano man yung dapat yung ma-resolve. So best advice that I could give kapag may mga confrontation na ganito, lawakan nyo po yung pananaw nyo, i-open nyo po yung mind and heart nyo para mas maintindihan nyo at ma-process nyo yung mga emotions from that issue. Because ang goal naman natin is matapos na yung issue na yon at makapag-move forward. Hindi nila tayo kinonfront para dagdagan kung ano pa yung hindi nyo pagkakaunawaan. So it has to be moving forward. That's the goal always. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more.